Today we're going to install ArcHLD using the electronic alignment tool. The first thing we need to do is decide where underneath the surface we want to install the unit. Once you've done that, the next step is to remove the adhesive strips from the back of the unit. Making note of the cable entry location, adhere the unit to the underside of the table. If desired, you can affix the unit with screws for extra security. Next, plug in the unit. Now take the electronic alignment tool and place on the surface directly above ArcHLD. The LEDs on the electronic alignment tool will indicate its position. Move the tool in the direction suggested until the OK lights up. Keeping the tool in place, mark the four corners as shown. Remove the tool to reveal the guide for your resonator pad. Next is to install the resonator pad by removing its adhesive backer and placing it in the spot you have just identified. Press firmly to adhere to the surface. You're now ready to start charging your phone wirelessly with ArcHLD from OE Electrics.